This episode is brought to you by Leo Bato and Associates, ang realtor na patok.
Visit abboteservices.com for fast medical transcription service. This podcast episode is brought to you by AB Music Creative.
Did you expect to be the grand champion?
Hindi.
Did you hope?
I hoped, pero hindi ako nag-expect masyado.
How was your relationship with Mitoy?
It was good. Kasi nung unang-una, kami yung pinaka matatanda doon. Kami yung pinaka seniores. So, umpisa pa lang, nag-gather pa lang lahat nung nakapasa sa second audition, wala pang blinds. We were like 100-something. Pero kaming tatlo, ni Kuya Mitoy and ni Maki Rica Fort, kaming tatlo yung naging very close. Kaming makukulit sa likod na parang tumatawa lang lagi.
Si Mitoy, komedyante pa yun.
Oh yeah, si Kuya Mitoy. Ang daming naging issue about nung nanalo si Kuya Mitoy. Sabi ko, you go and watch Kuya Mitoy perform.
Oh yes.
Iba.
Oh yes.
Iba talaga si Kuya Mitoy. Magaling talaga siya.
Humble guy.
Oh yeah. Super bait.
Pag
Super.
nakita mo off stage, cool na cool lang. Pag sampa, talaga, wow.
Yeah. Kay di mo new to, oh. Parang ganun. Pero super galing. Super galing siya. Hands up ako kay Kuya Mitoy. Super bait din.
Sino coach niya?
Si Coach Leia.
Imagine ha, napaka-opposite ng personality ng dalawang yun ha.
Yeah, tama. Kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung tumakbo sa isip ni Kuya Mitoy. Kasi hindi ko na matandaan kung sino humarap sa kanya eh. But he made the right choice for me. Si Coach Leia talaga.
Well-rounded din si Mitoy eh, no? I think what Leia can bring is that discipline talaga eh. Kasi ang meron natin ng mga biyahero at saka tumutugtog gabi-gabi, meron na tayong mannerisms and habits eh, right? Eh ito, napaka-disiplinadong tao ni Leia Salonge.
Yeah.
Teknik ang ituturo sa iyo niyan eh.
That's true. Eh type banda pa naman.
Oh.
Ang mga banda pa naman pagkatapos ng gig, hindi
Diba?
pa uuwi.
Oo, kakain pa yan, magpupuyat pa yan,
iinom,
iinom,
kwentuhan.
yes.
Hanggang umaga na.
Tapos ulitin mo na naman, tutugtog ka na naman
Yeah,
ulit.
ganun ang routine natin, diba? Nung nagbabanda pa tayo.
Anong takeaway lesson mo sa The Voice that people can pick up on?
Never underestimate yourself. Never doubt yourself. Kasi ako at that time, I doubted myself na hindi ko kaya. You know, pag dinasal mo talaga, if it's meant for you, it's gonna happen. Yun ang takeaway ko, yung mga experiences ko, na yung mga friends ko na naging kaibigan ko during the competition, yung mga tao sa ABS-CBN na naging very close ko. Until now, meron pa rin kaming communications. Lahat, ang dami kong blessings from The Voice.
Would you encourage kids to actually join competitions?
I would, yeah. Because it's a good training ground for them to hone their yung confidence nila kasi mas titibay yung tapang nila to face a bigger crowd pag nag-stick sila sa ganitong career. So, parang mas marami din silang matututunan kasi when you're competing, nagre-research ka eh. Nag-aaral ka, nagpa-practice ka. So, I would suggest it to kids lalo na yung mga gustong-gusto talagang maging singers.
And body shape should not be an issue also.
No.
Diba?
But you have to take care of yourself.
Right.